So Amazon have gone a bit overboard on the packaging for the number of items that I ordered from them. Could have all been put in one box, being as I ordered them all at the same time. But anyway, let's have a look. So first one got here is some digital luggage scales. I keep hearing a lot of recommendations about these on different YouTube videos, and I figured why not give them a go. I had bought them on offer. I think they were something like $5.95, and yeah, I just thought why not try them rather than struggling to put our suitcases onto our normal weighing scales. Let's use something that's designed for the job. Okay, let's see this box. So, I mean, great that they've had stuff out if anything's breakable, but nothing I bought is. So, right, I've got some mini octagons. They're like little plastic shapes that slot together. I thought these would be great for my daughter on the plane, keep her occupied for a while. The flight, I think, is about 4 hours. So yeah, just thought something a bit different to the normal Lego and Duplo that she's already got. Something that we can play with her as well, help her build different shapes. And yeah, I think she'll enjoy playing with those. And hopefully we'll get half an hour's piece. Some packing cubes, grey ones. I think there's 6 in here. I guess they're all inside each other. Yeah, this packet is for me. I'm actually sharing a suitcase with my daughter this time, so I thought, yeah, let's have a go and see how much we can get into one suitcase using the packing cubes. Again, packing cubes, something that I've seen on different YouTube videos, on Instagram, and Marie Kondo, KonMari method and all that kind of thing. And just thought, yeah, let's give this a go and see how much we can get in one case. Next box, again, more inflatable packaging. And we've got locks. There should be 2 locks in there. So one for mine and my daughter's suitcase and one for my husband's suitcase. Self-explanatory. It's got TSA mark, so they're able to be opened by security should they need to look in our cases. Another set of packing cubes. This one's by a different company to the ones I ordered for myself. Pink set for my daughter. Again, I think there's 6 in the pack. And yeah, as I said before, just trying to see how much we can fit into one suitcase. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, I'd be really grateful. And then you can see future videos that I upload. It's my first video, so I'm a bit nervous. But yeah, hopefully get better in time. And yeah, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.